Go.
Okay, good morning class. Before we start, my name is Jonathan Estrella Sanchez. Ito yung aking wait lang. Bago tayo magsimula, let's proceed muna. Let's pray mo. Everybody stand up. Eman, dito tayo. By the way, classroom house rules, be respectful, follow instruction, raise your hand if you want to speak, and listen when others talk. Let's all do our best. I have a short one paper to check our attendance. Habang umikot yung ating attendance, gusto ko muna maglaro tayo para kahit pa paano sumuksa ng ating isipan. Okay. Let's play Jumbo Words. Okay. At yung instruction natin, please read. Ewan.
The class will be grouped into two groups. Each group will choose a representative to answer the picture that is being shown provided.
Okay, as you can see naman, each group will choose a representative. As of now naman eight lang naman tayo dito. Divide into two groups na lang, 4 person na lang.
The teacher will then say hands on your chest. After showing the picture, the first person in each group representative who runs forward will say the correct answer. When the representative has the correct answer, he or she runs back to their team members. If incorrect answer, the other group will be given the chance to answer. Each correct answer, he or she will receive the prize.
Yes. By the way, yung prize natin, ball pen. Sino naman namin ball pen? Okay, let's proceed. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, we're ready.
Everybody,
Okay. I'm sorry.
raise your hand. Okay.
Okay po.
Very good.
Tingnan mo ka na sa
Raise your hand if you know your answer. Okay, next one. Evan.
Nosebleed.
Those did. Common sense naman din. Common sense. Okay, next one. Raise your hand. Okay, Allen. Spray bomb. Correct, exactly. Okay, next one. Thank you. Next one.
Birds.
Birds is correct. Next one.
Sir. Cats.
Cats is correct. Pakai muna yung ball ko. Next one.
Dinosaur.
Okay.
Scrapes.
Grapes is correct. Next one. Meron pa. Yeah.
Sir.
Lima tayo. Yellow. Painting is correct. lang yung ating nakikita nyo naman sa mga video. Okay. Before we start, may alam pa kayo about sa first aid in common condition. Anyone?
Ano po, ito ba yung kadalas natin ginagawa once po na nasa isang common place po tayo, tapos may nakita tayong kunyari, sa nakita ko nila na choke. So, may mga first aid tayo ginagawa doon para matulungan yung person na mabuhay.
Okay. Anyone? Baka may alam mo pa. Ale, Lampo. Stand up, stand up. Why first aid matters? Understanding common medical condition is crucial for personal safety. Knowing first aid intervention prepares for you emergencies. First aid and promotes an awareness in daily life. Yung first aid, ano siya, yung mga, alam niyo ba yung mga common causes lang naman ang mga nangyayari sa atin, kunyari dahil mo nakikita nyo, nose bleed, sprain, anything, etc. And yan yung mga gamit ng first aid, gaya yung mga soft towel, first aid, yung band-aid, yung alcohol, yung mga anything na pwede mo i-attach sa skin mo. Recognizing the risk, cuts, split, burns, sprain, and stain, nosebleed, choking, and fainting. Yan yung mga common risk na maaaring, kumbaga, mga minor lang ba, minor injuries na maaaring natin ma-encounter ba. Kunwari, pag-akit natin sa bundok, hindi mo maiwasan na madulas, then nagkakaroon ng mga common injuries yan. Okay, next. Please read, Gabon.
Cuts are opening or breaking the skin caused by sharp objects. Scars or x-ray are surface wounds where the top layer of skin is round off or scratched off.
Yung cuts naman, yung mga nakukuha natin sa mga matatalim na bagay, gaya ng blade, o kunyari mga nabasag na mga bote, baso, diyan natin makukuha yun. Yung mga konting hiwa ba, na pwede natin magamit, diyan natin pwede magamit yung first aid. Yan yung causes. Please read, Diego.
Statement from sharp objects, but not glass metal pieces. Once an accident, let's wait, this is the case around some case for sports or physical activities leading to minor injuries. Work-related accidents, infractions leading to the
Yan yung gaya na sabi ko kanina, dyan nakukuha yung cuts sa mga knife, glass, metal, scissors, yung mga matatalim na bagay. Yan yung maaaring nakukuha yung cuts, yung mga accident, yung mga biglaan ang nangyayari na. Siguro naman dumadating sa buhay mo yung diba? Kahit kung isugat ka, mas user, hindi na tulong sa nanay. Okay, please read, Allen.
Immediate care for cuts and sprains. Wash your hands. Prevent infection before touching the wound. Number 2, stop the bleeding. Apply gentle pressure with a clean cloth or sterile bandage until bleeding slows or stops. Number 3, clean the wound. Rinse and clean running water to remove dirt and debris. Use mild soap around the wound. Number 4, cover the wound. Protect it with a sterile bandage or clean dress.
As yung sinabi, di ba? Sabi niya din na once na magkaroon ka ng sugat, na hiwa, hugasan sa mga gripo, sa malilinis na tubig, then kuha kayo ng malinis na towel, i-bahid nyo na tapos. Ayun na, kayo na kayo ng bandage. First, this is
Burns are injuries to the skin and underlying tissues caused by heat, chemicals, electricity, radiation, or friction. The damage can range from mild redness to severe vision destruction.
yung burns naman, ay may mga common causes na sa katawan. Yung mga, okay, ito for example, nag-pitch tayo, di ba? Minsan di talaga maglagay ng sunscreen. Yun natin mga burns. Yung mga pamumula ng balat, pamumula ng balat, syempre, di ba? Yung pangangate, ayan, tama. Next one is causes. Yellow.
Process. Thermal burns, bad activities, lifestyles, alcohols or steel. Chemical burns, from strong acids, alkalis, or harmful substances. Electrical burns, from contact with light or electrical surface. Radiation burns, from overexposure to sunlight, the sunburn, or medical treatments like radiation therapy.
Yeah. Ang causes naman yan, yun sa mga may init na tubig, kaya naman sa akin ito. Mga may init na tubig, yung iba pag napapasok ka, yan ang focus ng birds. Tapos yung dahil sabi ko kanina, di ba sunbird, yan pa rin sunbird. Di ba yung pagkain nila natin na yung sunscreen. Okay. Obviously. Exactly, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, di ba? Ang mga sprain injuries ito common sa mga athlete, di ba? Gaya ng pagtakbo, pagtalon, pagbagsak, hindi na ginasa. Yung mga napupulot niya ng mga muscle tissues, mga tendons, kaya siya napapala. Okay, history na
Rise for stage and stage. Stress establishing the labor area right away. Ice supply and ice pack or cold down that drop in the towel in the injured area. Used for 3 to 20 minutes every 2 to 3 hours during the first 14 hours. Compression, wrap the injured area with a elastic bandage na to dry. Elevation, raise the injured area above the level of the heart.
Sino naka-experience dito na mag-sprain? Anong ginagawa niyo? Di ba? Kinakahilot ba?
Yes po.
Pero sa tingin niyo, effective ba? Di ba hindi naman? Mas lalo siya namapagkata ka naglalaman yung sa may puto niya. Di ba? Oo naman. Kaya meron tayong rice. Hindi kanin na rice is stir for rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Once na magkaroon ka ng sprain, tapos nagawa mo na yung rest, ice, tapos yung compression. Kailangan, pagka papahinga ka, naka-elevate yung paa mo. Kumbaga, yung ulo, mababa dun sa, o yan, yung paa, mababa dun sa ulo. Kailangan naka-elevate. Para yung mag-circulate yung dugo, circulate ng dugo yung paa. Okay, nosebleed.
Nosebleed. A nosebleed is the bleeding from the inside of the nose. It happens when small blood vessels in the lining of the nose break and bleed. Most nosebleeds are not serious and can be treated at home, but some may need medical attention if they are heavy or frequent.
Siguro naman, pamilyar niya si nosebleed, di ba?
Yes, po.
Matik yan. Gawa naman eh. Siguro, sa tingin nyo, saan nag-focus yan? Ano, yan, sa tingin nyo?
Minsan po ang hospital, matagalan sa natin sa hindi siya, ay minsan normal na tayo dito sa bahay, minsan hindi. Yung mga hindi tayo dito sa bahay, medical condition na it is, kunyari, may cancer ka na hindi mo alam, minsan nagkakaroon siya ng, tama. Nagkakaroon siya ng nosebleed, tapos kailangan galing mo siya sa hospital. Kasi once na hindi ka nagpapit sa hospital, syupay ka.
Process.
Nose bleeding or rubbing can be related to blood vessels inside the nose. Injury or trauma such as bleeding of the nose. Allergies or colds, frequent bleeding or nose blowing can be related to nose lining. Medication, nose, blood thinners, aspirin or frequent use of freeze. Environmental factors, exposure to chemicals, smoke or very hot or dry weather.
Kaya sabi ni Jenny kanina, nosebleed minsan nakukuha natin sa hot at dry weather. Minsan naman, nararamdaman ng sobrang rough yung ito. Kaya, sabihin ko na ito, ako na tayo, kung lang, diba? Minsan, pag sobrang dudod natin, meron talaga infection. Doon na nag-focus ng mga dugo. Stopping a nosebleed.
Stopping, stay calm, anxiety can increase blood flow. Sit upright and lean forward. Lean forward prevents swallowing blood, which can cause dyspnea or vomiting. Pinch the soft part of the nose. Use your thumb and index finger to hold for 10 to 15 minutes without any too. Breathe through the mouth, stay still and relax while holding the nose. Apply a cold compress placed on the bridge of the nose to help constrict blood vessels.
Kaya nga, same lang naman yung sinabi ni Evan kanina, na once na nagkaroon ka ng low speed, kailangan mo, parang step forward ka naman din. Tapos, yung right or left hand, di ba? Right or left hand. Ipipitch mo lang na ganito. 10 to 15 minutes para mag-stop yung low speed. Choking is lead.
Become blood in the throat or windpipe, airway, blocking the flow of air and making it difficult or impossible to breathe.
Siguro common din yung choking. Yung parang ano ba yung mag-ilog yun. Exactly, yung mag-ilog. Joke ka. Tapos yung parang ano, yung sobrang sikip ka na ito, sasakan. Ito ang gusto ni joking mo. Causes. Lelo. Ang causes ng choking sa mga pagkain yung magbibilis, yung alam mo, mahupusan, di ba? Tapos bilang mo ng tubig, yun. Doon ka ma-start ng choke, para pag hindi ka makahinga. Recognizing the sign of choking, usually,
Catching the throat. This is the first sign that someone is choking. Inability to speak. The person may be unable to say anything, difficulty breathing. They might be gasping for air or making a high-pitched sound. Coughing or inability to cough. They may be trying to cough but can't do it effectively. Cyanosis. The person's skin, lips, and egg gets may turn blue due to lack of oxygen.
Yung ano ba, yung CPR. Tama ba? CPR. Ay, sorry.
Ako po, yung sa joking po kasi kadalasan ko siya ginagawa. Pero, for example, na-joke ko yung classmate ko. Then, syempre, kailangan na kung ano yung proper. Kaya kami mo siya sa likod, lalapit dito sa may ribs, diba? Sa may ilalim ng ribs, pupush mo siya ng konti. Para matulungan ng air na magkakaroon siya ng hangin na makakapagpapit sa pagkain or anything na lang sa loob ng dalawa ng
Sorry. Okay, thank you. Please leave.
Step 1. Assist with causes other concern. Over 1%. Give up. Close and behind someone and lean forward. Deliver 5. Grip up. Close with fingers. Shoulder blade using your hand blade. Perform abdominal curl. Thrust. Abdominal curl. Deeply. Maneuver abdominal thrust or deeply. Maneuver are method of moving objects throughout the body by placing one person above the other and giving 5 weight upward thrust. Alternatively, usually 5 backward and 5 abdominal forward until the object is touched or the person becomes touched.
Gaya nung sino magandaan nila. Yung nasa likod tayo, then gagawin natin sa natin, tapos i-push lang natin ng ulit para magkaroon na ayun.
Magdidilig po ako ng
makakal sa akin. So, gagawin natin, bubuhatin natin yung bata. Tapos, basta nakakabuhat yung bata, ilalagay siya dito. Tapos, itatak mo yung sa likod. Dito. Itatak mo siya ng itatak. Pero hindi siya sobrang lakas sa tatak. Hindi mo tatak talaga.
Soft na, soft.
Para lang matulungan yung bata na mailabas niya yung nasa lalabas niya. Iba yung procedure dun sa bata. Iba yung procedure dun para sa matanda.
Thank you. Painting. Okay. Alan.
Painting is a temporary loss of consciousness that happens when there is a sudden decrease in blood flow to the brain. It usually lasts for a few seconds to a few minutes, and the person regains consciousness on their own.
Kasi yung kasi naman kanina, di ba, kanya naman sa picture, ang painting ay yung hindi naman tayo. Eh, yung mga siguro mga dalos ka naman 2 minutes, hindi siguro matagalan siguro 2 minutes, yung mga 10 seconds, 5 seconds, para makikita nyo kasi pag-pedro. Process.
Low blood pressure, sudden drop when standing at altitude, dehydration or not drinking enough fluids, overheating, hot weather, crowded places, strenuous exercise, emotional neglect, fear, anxiety, pain or shock, medical conditions, heart problem, anemia, nervous system disorders.
Mga causes niya, yung mga gaya na nakalagay niyan, low blood, dehydration, overheating, emotional stress, medical condition. Dehydration, kakulangan natin ng tubig. Kaya kailangan, di ba, gaya ng siguro lang, alam niyo naman yung 8 glass water a day, di ba? Mas importante talaga yun para maintain yung ating katawan. Hindi tayo ma-dehydrate. Overheating. Pag crowded yung area, sobrang init, minsan nangyayari talaga sa tao yung gano'n. Nakatalagin mo na yung pag-himatay mo. Emotional stress. Emotional stress, yun yung mga walang anxiety. Yun, anxiety, yung parang may hininda ba? Ayun. Medical condition, gaya ng sakit sa puso, kaya mga anemia, nervous system. Okay. Assisting someone, please read yellow.
Assisting someone who has a problem. Every person that can do that is a blood flow to the brain. Can you read the legs about building just for the it's possible to impose a position using like especially around the neck and at least where needed. Taking the responsiveness to make sure the person is doing properly. And allow the pressure over a window or moving to over the area. This unlying down until the food alert is standing at completely because people again. To assure the person that there will be one after reading produces.
Ayan. Once na maka-encounter kayo ng nahimatay, ang una nyo agad gawin ay ihika sa mga kaya nito sa plant na bagay, tapos i-elevate nyo yung paa para gumagay yung dugo at mag-circulate sa brain. Ganun na, tapos kapay-pahin nyo lang para lang makalawat ng fresh air. Okay, next one is be prepared, stay safe. Mastering first aid skills essential for personal safety. Knowing how to respond to common medical conditions can save lives. Health awareness is a lifelong skill that benefits anyone. Ito yung kailangan maging ano tayo Okay, go.
Parang inamin ko sa conclusion is lahat po tayo dito sa ano to ay kailangan alam sa first aid para even may mangyari sa atin or sa kaibigan natin or surroundings natin, hindi natin kilala, is matulungan agad natin yung person na maibalik sa normal niyang level.
Ano lang, additional lang. Everyone, mahalaga para sa atin yung first aid. Kasi ang first aid, kahit saan mo dalhin yan eh. Kunyari, hiking ka, camping, swimming, hindi dadalhin sa atin ng gawin. Kaya kailangan magpunta tayo ng first aid. Ito yung mga common na pwede natin gawin. Kumbaga, kahit pa paano, alam na natin. Kasi susunod na generasyon na nangyari, makaipagda tayo na ito na ganyan. Alam natin, hindi tayo naman sa iba tao. Okay. We have groupings, divide into two groups naman. Okay na siguro yung... Ayan. Sige, ano na lang kayo po? By line na lang, by line. Okay? First aid role play scenario. About sa tinapik natin kanina, gagawa na kayo ng scenario.
Ilan minutes yung preparation?
5 minutes preparation daw. Wait, sige. Okay, ano na kayo, groupings na kayo. Kahit alin dun sa tinapik natin. Wait lang, additional. Divide student for group distributed scenario. Kakunti na naman tayo, 2 groups na lang. 1 person each. Each group will discuss their scenario and prepare a first aid response. Group will represent the scenario and a response to the class. Okay, na ba ito? 5 minutes. Lagi lang. Okay, okay.
One, two, three, go. Let's go, Daddy! Go! Wait lang, wait lang. Gawin natin yung rice method. Kailangan pa muna natin siya, i-rest. Ay, done. Ayan. Sige, sige pa. Sige, ikaw muna. Sige, ikaw ka. Kailangan natin siya i-rest. Kuha ka na muna ng ice. Ice. Kailangan natin ng towel for long rest. Naka-elevate na siya. So kapag binigyan natin ito, kailangan gawin ang rest method. Yung rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Kailangan naka-elevate yung paa na. Naka-rest na ganyan. So para hindi mo siya hindi mo malalim ang injury. So, ayun. Ang ginawa ko naman is sa basketball. So, yung isa namin ay natapilok or na-swing. Ang ginawa namin para yung swing niya, ginawa namin yung rice method, which is yung rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Kailangan na lang natin lahat yun.
Next group. What was the most challenging part of your scenario?
Ano po, sa scenario namin yung challenging part is kung paano mapapakalma yung player na injured. Kasi kadalasan, based on our experience, kapag nagkakaroon ng injury kami sa loob ng laro, hindi lang yung nakakainisip kami, pati yung laro. So, kailangan namin i-ensure na kakalma yung tao. Kasi kung hindi siya kalmado, hindi din magagawa yung personalized na ginawa ng kanina. Hindi siya magagawa kung saan lalala yung injury na meron siya.
Group nila Evan, you.
Parang gano'n lang siguro, paano namin na-execute yung October 7. So, paano namin ma-provide yung treatment na gawin nila. Kasi, baka kung mali namin na nagawa yung gano'n, may chance
How did your group decide on the best first aid response?
Ano po siya? Usually kami yung natutunan namin kung sa yung topic namin. So, kung ano po, yung doon po namin pinili yung gagawin namin first aid para mabigyan ng yung review.
Okay, we have quiz. I have a bad paper. Please distribute to answer ko ulit lang, answer ko ulit.
Start na po siya.
Oh, start na. Answer ko ulit. Okay, next. Next, gas. Okay, let's check. Which of the following is the first step in treating a minor attack? A. Applying ointment. B. Cleaning with soap and water, or C. Covering with the bandage, or D. Applying gas. Is the correct answer? D. D. D is the correct answer. Number 2. What does the acronym RISE stands for in first aid? A. Run, ignore, cover, elevate. CYC naman diba? Automatic na yan. Rest, eyes, compress, and elevate. C. In the event of a nosebleed, what should you do? A. Keep your head back. B. Lie down. C. Pinch your nose and lean forward. Breathe through your mouth. C. C is the correct answer. Number 4. What is the first step in treating a minor burn? A. Apply water. B. Apply ice directly. C. Cool the bomb. D. Cool. Ay, burn pala, burn. Sorry. Burn with cool running water. Or D. Cover with a thick bandage. C is the correct answer. Last 5. A person claims, what should you do first? A. Give them water. B. Check for responsiveness and breathing. C. Slap their face. D. Give them sugar.
B stands for boy.
Okay, B is the correct answer. Assignment, guys. Wait. Score. You got 5 score. Lahat naman, di ba? Okay, assignment, guys. Create a list of essential items for a person or classroom. First aid kit, explain the purpose of each item and how each